Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. 53 girl students of a government-aided high school in Orissa, Sundargarh district and 22 MBBS students of Veer Surendra Sai Institute of Medical Science and Research, Burla, in Sambalpur tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 3 days, a health official said Tuesday. The state's coronavirus tally rose to 10,47,386 today as 212 more people including 70 children tested positive for the infection, while 2 fresh fatalities pushed the death toll to 8,396. Naib Subedar Nuduram Soren from Mayurbhanj district of Orissa, who attained martyrdom while fighting a marauding platoon of Chinese soldiers at the Galwan Valley in Ladakh in June last year, was conferred with the Veer Chakra posthumously by President Ramnath Kovind Tuesday. Soren's wife received the award from the President. Odisha Assembly Speaker Sujay Narayan Patra today said that the members of the House will not be allowed to create ruckus during the Governor's address and question hour in the upcoming sessions. The decision was taken unanimously at the 82nd All India Presiding Officers Conference in Shimla. In the latest breakthrough into the hacking of the WhatsApp account belonging to Manoj Kumar Patnaik, the Chief Executive Officer of Orissa Computer Application Center, a 40-year-old Nigerian national suspected to be the main accused in the case, has been arrested from Bengaluru. Additional Director General Crime Branch Sanjeev Panda informed that the accused, Akvudiri Pascal, was arrested by a team of Delhi police from Bengaluru. The Orissa High Court today directed for regularization of data entry operators appointed on contractual basis in 4 departments of the state government: Local Fund Audit, Sub-Registry, Lok Sabha Bhavan and Gopabandhu Academy. Around 1500 outsourced data entry operators will be benefited with the direction. Colonel Bikumalla Santosh Babu was awarded the country's second highest military gallantry honor, the Mahavir Chakra, posthumously Tuesday for fighting Chinese soldiers till his last breath. Colonel Babu's mother and wife received the award from President Ramnath Kovind at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Eleven people were injured in an LPG cylinder blast in Gachibowli area of Hyderabad Tuesday, police said. The injured were admitted to the government-run Gandhi Hospital, where the condition of 2 of them is stated to be critical. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.